Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Aditi and today I'm going to share with you guys my opinion about the newly launched PAC Sweet Sensation lip creams. This is how the outer packaging looks like and this is how it looks from the inside, and I have been trying it for like past 3-4 days and I have my opinion collected, and I'm not only going to give you guys my thoughts about it, but I'm also going to compare it with the much raved NYX soft matte lip creams, Miss Clear soft matte lip cream, and also the Lakme lip and cheek mousse. So yeah, this video is going to be like a full-blown wear test, review and comparison. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So starting off with the pricing of these lipsticks, it retails for ₹475, which I think is okay, like it is reasonably priced. The shelf life of these lipsticks are 18 months from the date of opening. So once you open it, you have to finish it in 18 months. And the color which I have got is #sunkissed number 13. The quantity which you get in this is 6.5 ml. You get the similar quantity in Miss Clear also, and in the NYX soft matte lip cream you get I think 8 ml of product. So now coming back to these lipsticks, it's claimed to be intense, bold, velvet matte. So by the way, this is the lipstick which I am wearing on my lips right now. It is like a medium rosy pink color. It is not too bright, not too neon, not too subtle. I think it will suit all skin tones. The formula of these lip creams are very soft and moussey, and they're so intensely pigmented and they do not have any shine whatsoever. Like they are matte as soon as you apply them. They do not take time to dry and then become matte and all of that stuff. The Miss Clear, NYX and Lakme Chip and Lick tint are you know, a little liquidy than this. It is like they are proper cream for matte, whereas this one has a whipped moussey texture, like more moussey than all of them. But also about the shade range, they come in total of 20 shades, which have mostly nudes and pinks. Like they do not have any bold colors like maroons, browns, purples. So I really hope they extend their shade range in future. Now coming to my experience with these lip creams, then I think they are okay. I won't say they are the best lip cream out there. Of course they are better in terms of pigmentation and lasting, but I think because they are so moussey, so once you apply it you cannot do your lips like this. You cannot do it, otherwise it will just crumble a bit. Like if you look very closely, then only you can notice, but still it does not look good to me. They do transfer a little, like you see it did transfer a bit, but if you don't eat anything then it will last for a very long time. But if you eat light snacks, then it will leave an even tint on your lips, which will last again very long. And then if you eat very oily food, then it will just give you that butthole lips, which does not look good. Now the other things which I would like to point out about these lipsticks are that they are not smudge proof. Like if I do like this, then it is definitely gonna smudge. Like it has been sitting on my hand for about 10 minutes, so I will show you. You see it's smudged, and the moussiness of the lip creams just go away, leaving a tint. As you can see, here is just the tint, and here you can see the particles of the mousse. And also the one thing that I have noticed is that if you have cracked and chapped lips, then these can enhance the flakiness a bit. So you really want to apply some lip balm and exfoliate your lips beforehand if you're going to apply these lip creams, otherwise your lips may look very crusty. And also I have noticed that although they are very comfortable to wear until unless you do not eat anything and the moussiness does not go away, like once you have only tint on your lips, then I think it can get a little drying after some time. And also I think that this is a little more drying than the conventional lip creams. Now if I go on to compare all the lip creams, so first I'm swatching the PAC Sweet Sensation lip cream. So here it goes, and then here I have the Miss Clear soft matte lip cream. Now all of the shades are very different. I do not have a similar shade in all of them, so the shades may vary, but I hope you will get what I want to talk about. And you see the PAC one is really matte and this one has a sort of sheen to it. Then here I have the NYX soft matte lip cream. Again, here is the swatch. You see that sheen again, right? And then lastly I have Lakme 9 to 5 weightless matte mousse. Now I know these are a little bit more pricier than the PAC ones, but I just wanted to include it because they have a very similar texture. So here are all the swatches. Again, the Lakme one also has a sort of sheen to it. I will wait for all of them to set in and then we will do the smudge test. So while all of them sets, I am just going to compare them. So the NYX Miss Clear Soft Matte Lip Cream and the Lakme Lip and Cheek Mousse take a little bit of time to set in, as you can see, whereas the Lakme one does not take any time to set in. It is already matte. And then the second difference is that the NYX and the Miss Clear one fades off easily and transfers a lot, whereas the PAC one and the Lakme one transfers a little less and takes some time to fade off. Then the other three lip creams have a creamy formula, whereas the PAC one has a moussey and thick formula as compared to the other three. Then the Miss Clear one and the NYX one lasts for a little less amount of time as compared to the Lakme and the PAC one. Even after setting in, the Miss Clear, the NYX and the Lakme one still look a little sheeny, as you can see, whereas the PAC one is as matte as it was. All the lipsticks are very pigmented, but the Miss Clear and the NYX one can get a little patchy sometimes. Like some of the shades are a bit patchy, otherwise they are all okay. So I have given it a good 20 minutes to set in now, and now I will smudge them and show you how much it smudges. So here is the NYX soft matte lip cream. So yeah, that is the condition. And here is the Lakme one. It did smudge a little, but I like it. I mean, it was not too bad. And then here is the Miss Clear one. Okay. And then here is the PAC. So you see this moussiness. I do not like it at all. Like how it removes, I seriously don't like it. That was it for the review and comparison part. Now let's get into the wear test part. Hey you guys, welcome to the wear test part of the video. So today I have a very long day. I have college, I have coaching and all of that stuff, and currently it's 8:45 a.m. so we will see how this lipsticks last. So yeah, now let's just get started. It applies very smoothly, by the way. I just really don't like how this lipstick enhances my dry lips and looks so crusty. I'm really not liking that crumbliness, so I will just take my fingers and I will wipe that off. So this is much better. I will be giving you guys a check-in in between so that you can see how my lipstick is lasting. So yeah, stay tuned. So it has been 7+ hours. It's currently 4 p.m. and it was a very tiring day, you guys, and also it was my friend's birthday celebration, so I did eat a little oily food. So you see my lipstick has totally removed, like completely. It's just a little bit of line left here and here, and as you can see the lipstick has also transferred here. I do not know how much you can see, but you see that, right? So everything which I was eating just transferred here, and also the moussiness I think just went away in I think 1 hour or so, and only the tint was left, which, like, my lips are very dry. So although it was a whipped cream formula, but still it dried out my lips like anything. I felt so dry, and it was also enhancing my lips texture, which is a no-no for me. And also whenever I used to smack my lip, like, then it just used to crumble, and you could feel the moussey particles on your lips. So overall I think I have mixed feelings for this. It is good, but it is not my kind of lipstick, okay? So yeah, that was the wear test. I really hope it was helpful for you guys. Those were a kind of let down, but the pros are more. The pro number 1 is that they are very pigmented, and then pro number 2 is that if your lips does not come in contact with water or food or anything, then it will last on your lips for a very long time. And pro number 3 is that it is velvet matte finish, as they say. It does not have any shine whatsoever, and it does not take any time to settle into, so that is again a very good thing. And also the applicator of this is very thin, so even if you have thinner lips or you want to line your lips before filling it in, then these are really good. Then the pro number 4 or 5 is that they are quite reasonably priced as compared to other liquid lip creams in the market. And then the cons are that they feel a bit drying after some time. They do fade off from the centers of your lips if you have oily food. I think it should have just faded off completely. I just cannot bear that butthole lips. I really hate it. I would rather prefer a lipstick which just goes off completely. Then the con number 3 is that you just cannot rub your lips like this, otherwise it will become crusty again. So yeah, I think those were all the pros and the cons. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am doing a 30 days 30 lipstick challenge wherein I share one lip swatch every day for 30 days. So yeah, please don't forget to follow me there. I'm sure you will enjoy those lip swatches. So yeah, now I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.